YouTube. I'm Mandy and this is Mandy's Makeup Adventures, and on today's adventure we are looking at the fourth and final palette in the Huda Beauty Wild series. This is the Wild Tiger, and this is what she looks like. And in this video we're doing a huge Huda giveaway, and so I can't wait to show you all of that goodness as well. So I used this to get this look, and I'm going to show you how to do that on this eye. So let's get started. There we go. All done. The deconstructed sunflower look. So as you know, this is the season for sunflowers. Hope I don't have any lipstick on my teeth. It's my kids in the background. One of them went outside and the other one's on Fortnite. Okay, so I can't wait to show you the giveaway. The giveaway, she is epic. Okay, on Huda's website, she had a deal where when you buy one of these palettes, any of them, you get a little set if you pay $10 more than the palette. So these were $39 and you get the full size liner plus this cute little, I guess these are fanny packs. I guess people wear them on the side, or a lot of people wear them around the chest. I think this is a super cute, it's a leopard skin, pink, like more like maroon bag, but it's really nice. It's very nice quality. So these came inside this. So this is one of the giveaways for this video. So you'll be receiving this all in a set. And one of these, which is what I've got on my lips right now. These are called, I think these were called her strobe lights. Yeah, her, so you get a lip pencil, a red liquid lip pencil, and then this one is called strobe. And I feel like this would be really pretty on its own as well, but it's very pretty over top of this red. Let's see what it would look like on its own. Very fall vibes. So cute. You could put that over a nude and it would look amazing. Oh, so good. So, this little set is mine. I used it on my lips. It's so cute. You can use this little tin or keep it in your get ready area, put eyelashes in it. I don't know. It's super cute. I think it's gorgeous. So the full giveaway is all of this, a tiger eye palette. Get a tiger palette, full size liner, the bag, a full-size lip liner, a liquid lip, and the strobe lip. I think it's a pretty good giveaway. Be excited. I want to swatch this palette, and I'm quickly learning that this palette is my favorite out of all four. Can you believe it? I picked the most neutral of the palettes, but the fact that I can make sunflower eyes, I love sunflowers. Love them, love them, love them. So the fact that I could do that, I didn't even realize that that was kind of the color story. I thought it was more neutral, and it is neutral, and you can do great neutral looks with it, but it's also super fall vibes. Sunflower vibes to me. So there it is, and that's the palette we're giving away. Whew. I couldn't give away all the palettes. I had to choose, and since I hadn't, when I first bought these palettes, I bought those 3 palettes, the other wild ones, off of Sephora, and Sephora didn't have the tiger palette, so I didn't know it existed. And then I saw it on an Instagram post, and I went to Huda's website, and she had that deal going on where you can get the liner and the bag, and I was like, I'm gonna buy 2 of those so that I can have one and give one away. And that's how that happened. Gorgeous, gorgeous shades, gorgeous swatches. I'm gonna take a picture of the swatches and then I'll be back to tell you how you can win this palette. I'm back. I went fully extra with this gorgeous sunflower. It is all glittered and blinged out. And it may be the best face painting I've ever done. Super happy with how it turned out. Hopefully the pictures come out just as nice as they look, as it looks in person. It looks so pretty. I also added some glitter to that eye look because I couldn't resist after I'd put glitter all over the sunflower. I used Jeffree Star's liquid lips to paint, and then I used this gorgeous Midas Cosmetics glitter for the yellow, and I used Dominique Cosmetics. This is, what is this shade? This is the shade Electric Soul in her duochrome, and I painted it on the little swirly-do leaf part of it. So, what do we think? Obviously, I had to take off the red lip because it did not go with the sunflower. And this might be my new go-to fall lip. This is the lip pencil from Real Her, and it's in I Am Confident. The lip lingerie from NYX, and this one's in, what color are you? This one is in Undressed. It's so gorgeous. And then this is Fenty Cream Gloss in Fenty Glow. And this very well could be my go-to fall lip because it's gorgeous. So, how will you guys win this giveaway? I want you to leave me a comment, any comment. Just comment on the video, be subscribed, hit the like button on this video, and this is only open to the United States. I'm sorry, everybody else. I'm not quite a big enough, I'm definitely not a big enough YouTuber to afford international giveaways, but for everybody in the USA, you could win all of this just by liking, subscribing, and commenting down below. Thank you so much. Oh, and we're going to do our giveaways a little bit different. So what I'm going to be doing now for the giveaways is, because comments kept getting deleted over and over and over again, and so many people were so upset that their comments kept getting deleted with their emails and their Instagram handles in them. So now what we're going to do is I'm going to announce the winner. So you're just going to comment, and I'm going to announce your little handle that you are for comments, whatever that name is that's next to your picture. I'm going to actually in a video telling who won some of the giveaways. So we'll probably do like 3 giveaways at a time, maybe 4. I'll go ahead and announce the winners, and then they just need to contact me through Instagram or email. That way you don't have to give up your information, and you can just contact me directly. And what do you think of this sunflower? By the way, happy Labor Day. This is Monday, September 6th, Labor Day. And tell me how you're doing with your Labor Day. Maybe that could be part of your comment. And do you guys like sunflowers? I'm just asking. I love sunflowers, and it is now sunflower season. My neighbor, grumpy as he may be, has beautiful, beautiful sunflowers out. So every day when I come home into the driveway, I get to look over and see his beautiful sunflowers. And I have a wreath, a peace wreath. It's like in the peace sign shape, and it's got daisies and sunflowers in it. Love it, love it, love it. Absolutely love it. I'm super impressed with my sunflower. What do you guys think? I hope that you enjoyed the tutorial on this palette. I think, honestly, you're going to be able to do the prettiest neutral looks with this palette all the way through the fall and into the holiday season, honestly, because this, to me, would be a fantastic holiday, just with those golds in there and the brown. Yeah, this would be great for holiday, and this would be great for holiday as well. So, and thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, win yourself a giveaway. Why not? Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys on the next one.